If the saddle to your steed is looking a little worn and weary, then you need to mosey on over and pick up the Wrangler seat cover by FIA, partner. All kidding aside, if you prefer the traditional multicolor in black, brown, or gray, or want the simplicity of a solid black or solid gray, you're gonna love the Wrangler series of seat covers from FIA. These seat covers are engineered from original saddle blanket material for authenticity and durability. Not only is it very durable, but also known for keeping warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Saddle blanket material is a comfortable and stylish option of seat cover. Installation is simple and no tools are needed. The multi-directional stretch polyester trim molds the seat cover to the contours of the seat. FIA's Super Grip system uses Velcro fasteners and a belt and buckle tightening system to grip the cover to the seat for a perfect OEM fit in minutes. And they're hand washable. If you're interested in purchasing the Wrangler seat cover by FIA or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.